Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hummingbird cake. It's a tender, soft, and moist banana and pineapple flavored cake with cinnamon and nutmeg, crunchy pecans, and frosted with cream cheese frosting. It is absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease 2 9-inch round cake pans or 3 8-inch pans. And line each pan with a circle of parchment paper. To make a circle of parchment paper, trace the outside of the pan onto a sheet of parchment paper. Fold it in half, making sure the lines that were drawn are lined up. Fold it in half the other way, lining up those lines. And cut it out following the line and let it be a little off the line so you don't get any pencil marks in the food. Then when you open it up, it should fit the inside of the pan. Once the pans are prepared, set them aside for now. Then into a sifter over a large mixing bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Sift the ingredients into the bowl. You will have to use a spoon to press the brown sugar through. Whisk to combine all the ingredients. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the overripe bananas. To get the best banana flavor, you must use bananas that are very overripe. Ones that are very brown all over or totally black is what you want. It gives the best banana flavor and also adds nice moisture and sweetness that you never get from using perfectly ripe bananas. They can never be too overripe. You can use them as long as they're not moldy on the inside. I know it seems bad and unpleasant, but this is key to getting the best banana flavor in the cake. Mash up the bananas using a whisk. Then drain a can of crushed pineapple. Pressing out some of the excess juice. You don't have to press out all the juice. It can be just lightly drained. Measure it out. Add it to the bowl. And add in the canola or vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. And whisk them really well together until well combined. Then chop up the pecans into small pieces. If you don't like nuts, you can leave them out. Add them to the bowl, and add in the dry ingredients, and mix them together until just combined and there's no more dry flour. Don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared cake pans. And bake them in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean or mostly clean with a few moist crumbs. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 10 minutes until cooled enough to handle. Run a butter knife around the edges to loosen them from the pan. Turn them out of the pan. Remove the parchment paper from underneath and place them onto a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then I like to wrap them in plastic wrap and place them into the fridge overnight to make decorating them much easier, and it also develops more flavor. Then you will need 1 batch of my best ever cream cheese frosting. I'll put a link to the video showing how to make this in the description box. Then stack and frost the cake and decorate it how you like. Once it's decorated, it's best served at room temperature, so if it's still cold from being in the fridge, let it sit at room temperature for at least an hour before serving. That's to make sure the cake is nice and soft and moist so the oil in the cake isn't solidified, and it's also so the frosting isn't too hard. And that's how to make a hummingbird cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.